In this video, I'll show you how to install Bitget app on your device. If you're using your iPhone or if you're using your Android and you love to get the Bitget app, I'm going to show you what you need to do. This video is only for educational purpose only, so ensure you watch through all I'm going to show you in this video. I'm on my iPhone and I'm going to go to App Store. I'm going to type in Bitget. I'm going to click on it. So this is going to come out. What you need to do, click on it. Click on the install. Click on this. So you're going to wait for it to install. Just wait for it patiently to install. Okay, right now I've been able to get the Bitget app here on my device, on my iPhone. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to create a Bitget account for yourself. If you find this helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching through. I'll see you in the next video.